drawing a simple house using geometry shapes. Today, we're going to draw a house using simple shapes like squares, triangles, rectangle, parallelogram, and circles. Are you ready? Let's go! All right, first we need the base of our house. What shape do you think we should use? Yes, a square and a rectangle to make walls. Let's draw a big square right in the middle of the scene. This will be the wall of our house. Look at that! A perfect square. Now our house has strong wall. Second, let's draw a rectangle. This will be another wall of our house. Great job! Now our house has strong walls using square and rectangle shapes. Now, let's add the roof. We need a triangle on top of the rectangle and parallelogram on top of the square as roof. Let's draw a triangle on top of rectangle. This will be the roof. Now draw a parallelogram on top of square using triangle and parallelogram. Now our house has a roof to keep us dry when it rains. Now let's add windows. We can use circle. Our window is ready using a circle shape. Let's draw a plus sign using line inside window to make them look real. Every house needs a door so we can go inside, right? What shape looks like a door? That's right, a rectangle. Let's draw a small rectangle right in the middle of our rectangle wall. This will be our door. Look, our house is ready using geometric shapes like square, rectangles, circle, triangle, and parallelogram. It looks beautiful and colorful. Like, share, and subscribe to Wonderland's Words.